All right, Mr. Bauman here again. Doing this a little ahead of time for Thursday. Thursday is going to be our next lesson. So you should be waking up either on Thursday or Friday morning, hopefully, or maybe in the afternoon, checking this lesson out. We talked last week briefly about D-Day. I'm just going to remind you of that. If you remember, that was June 6th, 1944, when the United States and the United Kingdom got together to attack. Oh, fun that's going to stay loading on the screen for. There we go. Attacked across the English Channel between Britain and France. The Allies assembled in Great Britain, made their way across the water, and stormed the beaches. You see the picture here, the guys going on there, along with an air attack and ships also attacking the German forces, trying to get on land. Took a while, a few weeks, but they were finally successful in getting troops on board, on land rather, and pushing the Germans back, and will lead to the liberation of Europe. You see again the visual here. This is the waterway they're coming across from the United Kingdom. So that's all you need to know about that ahead of time today. You should be in Schoology. You should see a puzzle piece that says D-Day on it. If you click on that, mine says unpublished because I'm doing this ahead of time. So when you get up in the morning on Thursday, those of you that get up early might have a chance to get on this. There is a video to watch on D-Day, a story from a D-Day survivor, a map, and another documentary. The documentary at the bottom is only if you can kind of handle violence, but also only if you've already done all the stuff. You don't have to watch this. I don't know that it's necessarily going to get you going for the or help you with the assignment. It's just if you want something to watch about D-Day, it's only 5 minutes. Totally up to you if you want to do that. But definitely watch this short video. I think it's only, well, gosh, what is it? We'll see here in a second. Only a couple of minutes long. Yeah, 3.5 minutes. Give you a good idea about what D-Day is. And then the story of a D-Day survivor is very good. And this interactive map is pretty cool. I have to click to enable that. Yep, allow. Now, unfortunately, you may not be able to look at this on an iPad or an iPhone, but you can see it shows how we came on land and then worked our way across France and then into Germany, setting up this whole thing. You can zoom in to certain areas. You click on the numbers here. June 6th was D-Day. If you go up a little more, zoom out. How do I move this thing? Oh, there we go. Zoom back out there. But number one here is where the preparations were being taken place. You can kind of just follow the numbers, go through this. It's kind of interesting. Just gives you an idea of how that all was set up and planned. So you do the questions. You're going to write in an answer here for all of 3 questions. Oof. It's going to be tough on you. I hope you can struggle your way through it. I hope it's not too difficult or painful. It really shouldn't be. Hopefully you're hanging in there over there. I'm getting a lot of assignments, which is good. Got about about 100 kids almost. Actually, over 100 kids. Sorry. They've done the assignment already, and 5th and 6th hour just got it today. So hopefully we'll see those numbers jump anymore. But yeah, I've got over half of my students now. Looks like 118 have done the assignment, have completed it, which is good. Hopefully the rest of you will get that thing completed from the Japanese internment camps by the end of the day, Tuesday into Wednesday. And hopefully you're behaving yourselves. I can't imagine. I know my kids had a whole 2.5 hours of school yesterday. They actually have to meet with their teachers and do like a video lesson every day. You guys are lucky you don't have that, but I'm guessing some of you are completely bored, would rather do that. Anyway, hope you're doing okay. Leave me questions in Schoology. Hopefully I'll have, I don't know, something more for you in the future. Next week we'll get into the end of the war. We'll talk about the campaign in Japan, or working towards Japan. Sorry, called Island Hopping. We'll work on that Monday and Tuesday, and then finish the war on Thursday and Friday. Or Wednesday and Thursday maybe next week, and then the following week you'll have a little assignment to do with the timeline for World War II, and we'll go on after that. Have a great day. Stay out of trouble. I mean that.